your Facebook photos might be more public than you think. Even old pictures can be visible to strangers without you realizing it. In today's video, I'll show you how to make all of your Facebook photos private in just a few steps. Let's get started. Hey, what's up everyone? I'm Steph, and in this channel, I teach you quick daily tech tips that make your life a little easier. On the top here, you can see what's on your mind. Tap on the profile icon beside here, then tap on Photos. Tap on Albums. Select an album from this list. Tap on the pencil icon on the top right. Tap on Who Can See This. Select the option for Only Me. If you don't see it, tap on See All to expand the list. Select Only Me and tap on Done. This will make your album private and only you can see the album and no one else on Facebook can see it. Once you're done with this album, go back to the main album and go through the list to do the same for the album that you want to make private. Next, go back to your main Facebook page and tap on the three lines or menu button on the top left. Tap on Settings and Privacy. Tap on Settings. Scroll down and under Audience and Visibility, tap on Posts. Tap on Who Can See Your Future Post. Tap on See All and select Only Me. This means that in future, any photos that you post on Facebook will be completely private and visible to yourself only. Then go back to Settings and Privacy and tap on Profile and Tagging. Under Who Can See Posts that you are tagged in on your profile, tap on See All and select Only Me. This means that only yourself will be able to see any photos or posts that you are tagged in. Then go back and tap on the next option when you are tagged in a post. Who do you want to add to the audience of the post if you can't already see it? You will also want to select the Only Me option for this, then tap on Save. There you go! If this video helped you in any way, please give a thumbs up and subscribe to help this channel grow. Your kind support really means a lot to me. Until the next video, I'm Steph, take care and